Alright guys, we're back here. I got the 352 right here. We're gonna put the lifters back in and then put the oil splash guard, I have it over there, on. And I might put the intake manifold on. I don't have much time. I'm trying to get this done day by day and get some kind of progress. Open up my new sealer. A little bit around there. Around there should be good. This again. You don't want any water getting in your oil system. So I did that side, I'm gonna do the other side. Now, there's nothing sticking this on, so I'm just gonna put a little bit, little bead, and that should help a little bit. We'll do the same thing here. Oh, there's supposed to be a dowel pin there. My dowel pin got damaged. All right, good, good, good. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more RTV on top, just so it doesn't leak out the front and the back. Which is pretty common on these Valley intake manifolds. Ooh. Oh man, I'd recommend 2 people for this job. This thing is heavy. Don't want to damage anything. Needs to come forward a little. I forgot to check. Making sure all these lifters were put in the right way. No, 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 no! All right, now you want to torque it to 35 inch-pounds. Perfect. Hopefully it's good. So, for the record, I do not like installing this type of manifold where it's got to sit down. This is, I believe this is iron. It was super, it's gotta be at least 50 pounds, probably more, and holding it out and over, you know, it takes a lot of muscle and I don't go to the gym anymore. So that's definitely a 2-person job to try and get it down flat. You guys saw me struggle with it, and it looks okay in the front, and I'll show you in the back. It looks okay. The sides kind of go in on both sides, but I took my flashlight and it's in between the surface, and we're gonna let that seal cure, so there should be no leaking there, but still, I really don't like the way these go. That's just the way it is. All right, so now I have my push rods. They still have oil on them, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some lube in my hand. And just wipe it. Stick it on down, wipe it. Stick it down. Huh. So let's just sit like that. These go through here. Huh. That's pretty wild how those just sit there. Same thing on this side. And this is just the factory setup going back in. No measurements needed. I'm gonna take some measurements, probably with the filler gauge, just to see and make sure we're still within limits. All right, so I gotta get ready for work. I'm gonna call that a day for today. Tomorrow I will put the rocker assembly on, and on these rods, the LS's actually have an oiling tube that goes up the center, so you got to make sure the hole is the correct way, so you get your valves and everything oiled, everything in your valve cover pretty much. These are solid lifters. It looks like the oiling goes through the rail, and I'll show you guys that on the part. The oiling goes through the rail, so we just got to make sure we put the right bolt in the right positions on that. So this is ready. Basically what I'm going to do is finish installing the top, cover it up, and then I'll close off all these holes, and I think I'll paint it then. I gotta still get quite a bit of grime off, and I'll be scrubbing it up. So yeah, thanks for watching this part. I'll see you guys on the next one. We're gonna make small progress each day that I have time before work.